Alright, so in this video I am going to show you how to use the annual insulation lookup tool to find the tilt and orientation factor based on your tilt and orientation. So you need to go to the Solmetric website, solmetric.com, the solar company, and then you go to support here, and you go to the annual insulation US. Now it used to be you could just select the tool that was integrated into the website. But now you need to look it up in Google Earth. So if you do not have Google Earth, you need to download that. It's a free software. It's a really cool software. It's safe. It's from Google. So if you have access to your administrative privileges on your computer, download Google Earth. So then once you do that, you click on View in Google Earth. Okay, and you can see it's downloading a little file here. So click on that file. And a second. Okay, so then once it opens up, you get this little startup tips here. You can feel free to read through this. So there's all kinds of stuff. Google Earth is a really cool software that you can. It's basically like Google Maps, but with there's more information on it. You can do more analysis with it. You can measure and do some other things. So I'm going to close this out. So this is actually all of the different data points in the U.S. where they have solar data. So I just want to show you, I can zoom out here. This is kind of what's cool about Google Earth, right? So I can search anywhere in the U.S. and I can sort of move the globe around and so forth. And you can see there's some other solar locations down here in the Caribbean. Puerto Rico down there. So what I can actually do is I can search for a location. So I'm going to type in this case, the Stanton campus. Christiana Road, okay, Newark, Delaware. Okay, and I can hit search. And it's actually going to zoom in. Should zoom in. Working a little slowly here. There we go. So it'll zoom in for me. And what I need to do is I need to pick the closest. So this is actually Stanton campus. I'm going to zoom out until I can see one of those little sunshines. So this is my closest weather station. So if I click on that, okay, just click on it. Oop. There we go. Jeez, working slowly. Yeah, let me show you that again. So, yeah, so this pops up. Okay, this shows you the bullseye chart that I showed you in class. And if you want to look it up, say for this station, look up the annual the TOF for any panel orientation here. So I click on that, and now it's going to allow me to enter in my my tilt and my orientation. So hopefully your computer is a little faster than mine. All right. So this is you can see up here it says Wilmington, Newcastle, Delaware. It actually shows you your optimal tilt. So this is actually 34 degrees. So it's a little below latitude tilt. The azimuth is 181, so basically due south. Okay, so this is your perfect tilt. So it actually defaults to 100% tilt. So if I want to find my TOF, let's say I have a, I don't know, 140 degree azimuth and a, I don't know, 10 degree tilt. So I just literally type it in here, 140, and then type in my tilt, 10, okay, hit calculate. And what it does is it calculates. See, here's my TOF now. So at my 140 degree azimuth and at a 10 degree tilt, my TOF is 87. Okay? And so you can do that, you know, if I change my tilt, you know, let's say it's 180 degrees, which is good, and let's say I'm still at 10 degree tilt. So I just type it in there, hit calculate, and you can see now my TOF it's still 87. Okay? So it really didn't help that much because I'm down here on the chart. Okay? So I'm not like in this band on the chart. Anyway, so you can do any location. So I could actually, if I wanted to, I don't know, let me go to Barrow, Alaska. I'm just curious. All right, so I can type in any location, hit the search button. It's going to kick me out to that location. Wow, that's really far. And then I can click on the weather station there, right, and do the same thing. Okay. So anyway, that's how you use the TOF. Find the TOF for any location in the United States.